Welcome to the Field Input Tutorial. This is Chaz
and Ashley
with the VGS Dev team. This tutorial will walk you through how to input data in the field view. VGS was designed for recording and managing ecosystem sampling data in the field. Once you have established a database and protocols, you will be ready to input data. Let's see how it's done.
To input data in the field view, you'll need to open a site and select the Log tab. Under the Log tab in the Site window, select New. The Create Forms and Events window will open. Choose the correct protocol, then Create Forms. Select the event, then select Edit. If you have multiple forms, tabs may separate the events. For example, cover and frequency are recorded at discrete intervals, whereas shrub cover is recorded as a continuous measurement. To move between the forms, click on the tab you wish to use. You can also have multiple events on a form, such as point ground cover and nested frequency. Each event may have multiple input options depending on the protocol. When moving from nest to nest, the appropriate plot must be selected when entering data.
In the plant species frame of the field view, plant names can be listed as code, common name, or species name by selecting the Change Labels button. The plant names can be listed alphabetically in any of the name types by selecting the Sort button. Site Species is a list of species that has been found at the site during previous sampling events. Clicking the Site Species box brings up this list. Predetermined species lists can also be added to the plant species frame. These lists are established ahead of time. Please see the Species List tutorial for more information. When adding a species, click on an empty box in the plant species frame. This will bring up the Select Species window where you can search for the species. To input the desired species or ground cover into the selected event, click on the name of the item you want to add to the form. The selected item will be listed in the selected event frame. If you accidentally select the wrong item, click the name again to remove the data input.
If a misidentified or unknown species occurs during the course of data input, in the plant species frame, you can long press or right-click on the species that needs to be changed. The Change Species menu will appear. Click the menu and the Select Species window will open. In this window, select the desired species. The species will only be changed in the current form tab. If you have multiple form tabs, you must repeat this process for each tab. As you are entering data, VGS automatically saves as you go. There is no Save button. Once you are done collecting data, click Close.
Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope you have learned something new and helpful. Until next time.